guys.
Campbell Boys here. We got all the bros here. We got Connor, we got Carson. Go check out all the social medias.
Yep.
And we got some Nitro Talkies. I think they'll be hotter. Definitely. Look at these, bro. They're like brown.
Yo, that poop.
Red cinnamon. I don't even know, bro. And then we also got these, but these are just for
the
me
normal.
along my snacks. We're gonna see if we can do these Nitro chips. So
I don't even know if I like them.
last to stop eating these chips will.
And there's no breaks. You just gotta hand up, chew, hand up, chew.
Yeah, after you eat one, you gotta eat another one, and the last to stop will win. So if you get out first, then you gotta sniff someone's old nasty socks. So that would be a good loser there, but I don't know.
Random boys are there.
Yeah.
Just
There we go.
me.
These Talkies are gonna be really hot.
I have never tried them. I'd rather do the normal.
Yeah, but these are gonna be hotter, I'm pretty
Okay.
sure. So let me get in the middle here. You want to start the channel, subscribe, leave a like, and notifications. Hit that bell if you haven't already.
Ooh,
Subscribe.
leave a like.
Alright guys, so before I plug any social medias, it's late at night now. It's like 10:30 after a tough loss for Kentucky. I'm so sad, man, that they lost to Florida, man. It's always a close one. It's just so heartbreaking seeing them lose at home on SEC opener. Then they have to play Mississippi State next week. But I just want to say thank you so much for 800 subscribers. We're like 815 now by the time this will be posted, maybe even 820. So we're getting up there to 1,000, road to 1K. I've been putting in some hard work on the editing, and I'm gonna update my editing. I'm actually gonna go to like Filmora 9. I'm gonna start editing on the Chromebook over there. So I'm gonna try to update the editing system a little bit, and then we might actually get monetized. So it'll actually be amazing. Instead of like working a job, if I'm like going into high school, I can just make money off of this and then pay for like equipment and then stuff that my parents won't have to pay for either. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool making money off of YouTube. But first, we're gonna need y'all guys' help, so click that subscribe button, leave a like, support the channel. And then now all my social medias will pop up on the screen right there while I'm talking. So yeah, Kentucky lost. That's sad, but back to the video, guys. Thank you so much for 800 subs. I'm gonna eat these Nitro Talkies. It's gonna be pretty hot. I stop eating spicy chips.
Can't stop
Let's get
talking.
right into it. Alright, I'm gonna start it up.
Are we gonna go like take turns, or are we just gonna eat?
Take turns.
Take turns. Alright, Carson, eat.
Oh, it's on Post Club. Oh, this is disgusting.
These are not spicy at all. These are not spicy whatsoever.
But they just taste bad. Are they spicy?
A little at the end, you can taste the spiciness. Those are more spicy, I'll tell you that.
Oh shoot, we may have failed.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Those
These aren't
even
spicy.
good. Yeah, they're just
They're
not.
horrible too.
They taste purple, not purple, but
Ugh, that's disgusting. Sorry guys.
there's too much lime in it.
We did not do this
No.
challenge right at all. But those are gonna be my snack. Those are not hard at all to eat, so I think we failed on this challenge. though,
that one's
but we're gonna try something else. Do like a pool obstacle course, so we'll see you in that. But we'll do the intro for that. So we failed on this. This is absolutely disgusting.
It's terrible.
The nitros are horrible, bro.
It tastes.
I'm just gonna snack on those, and
Tastes
y'all can
trash.
eat those if y'all want. I don't
Mm.
like them. But we're gonna do like a pool obstacle course later. I don't know, but it's raining right now. We're watching some college football. Clemson's playing Syracuse. Kentucky's playing Florida. We're gonna watch that tonight. Alabama's playing South Carolina. So those are absolutely disgusting. Sorry guys, those aren't spicy either. So we kind of failed. My bad. But we'll get them next time with another banger. Peace.
Hey Mac, you're in the hunt. You're in the hunt. Go trees. Let's go trees. Let's go, man. Pick it up if you can. Here we go. Let's go. go, Charlie Webb. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, Hamlin. Let's go, Charlie. Let's go, Hamlin. Come on, Charlie. Let's come here. Go, Matt. Go, Matt.
Go, Parker.
There you go. Jacob Fulton. Go, Parker. Way to go, Parker. Parker, pass him. Go. Yes. Did he? Yes, he did. Come on, Jack. Give it all you got. Go, Jack. Come on, Bryson. Finish strong. Come on, Bryson. Finish strong, baby. You got it. Let's go, Tyler. Come on, Tyler. You got it. You can do this. Go. Come on, Warren. Take him off, Warren. You got it. Kaylin, kick. Kaylin, go. Way to go, Chelsea. You got Camden. Let's go, buddy. Come on, Connor, it's the end. Finish strong. Go.
Middle school girls, always flirting, you know.
that.
Visco? Yeah. Loyal, let's see, just a little. And
What is this one? Annoying.
Missed it.
Yo guys, honestly, I don't know what kind of videos I should do. Here's my channel right now. 816 subscribers thanks to you guys. And we goes to Yeterson Peterson. Like the channel name. So thank you for the sub if you're watching this. But I think I'm going to do some like scary videos, go over at night. Do some overnight challenges. And I'll probably do some pranks on Halloween. It's getting close to the fall. So it's going to be some bangers in the fall and winter. It's going to be tough recording. Try to get this video up tonight though. We're watching some NFL. I'm not going to be watching much. I'm just going to be looking, do schoolwork and stuff, making sure I'm prepared. But yeah, just comment below some video ideas and say hashtag notification squad once you have subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry we failed on this challenge, but the next video, we'll try to bring back the summer vibes and do a summer like obstacle course in the pool, and where it's going to be a banger. because I haven't been in the pool in a while. Hopefully it's not any like cold anymore, because it is September 15th, 5 days till I'm gonna raid Area 51 for the boys. Who wants to come with me? Just let me know in the comments below. I'm just kidding, but everyone's already forgot about that. Probably not gonna happen. But you know, comment below some video ideas. I don't know. And also go check out my Instagram, Parker_Campbell3, Twitch, ParkerCampbell90, second channel about college football, Campbell commentary. So yeah, that'll end off the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.